Welcome to the latest edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. Opus Genetics highlighted 5 gene therapy programs targeting inherited retinal diseases, including OPGX-RDH12, OPGX-MERTK, OPGX-RHO, OPGX-LCA5, and OPGX-BEST1. The company expects the RDH12, MERTK, and RHO programs to enter clinical testing within the next 12 to 18 months, and anticipates 4 clinical data readouts during 2027. Lexeo Therapeutics announced the final design of its Sunrise FA2 open-label pivotal study evaluating LX2006 in Friedreich ataxia cardiomyopathy. The trial will use left ventricular mass index measured by cardiac MRI as the primary endpoint and is intended to support an accelerated approval BLA submission planned for 2028. Legend Biotech reported early proof of concept data from its phase 1 study of LB2501, an investigational in vivo CD19 and CD20 dual-targeting CAR T therapy for relapsed or refractory B-cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma. At dose level 2, the therapy achieved a 100% overall response rate and an 83.3% complete response rate following a single infusion without lymphodepletion. The Rion Research Initiative announced that the first patient has been treated with an experimental AAV9 gene therapy for Cockayne syndrome. The treatment was administered to a 6-year-old patient in New York and represents what the organization described as the first in-human gene therapy intervention for this ultra-rare disorder. REGENXBIO reported alignment with the FDA regarding the regulatory path for NAVSUNLI, also known as RGX-121 for MPS II. The company stated that the agency confirmed no additional studies are required and that existing clinical data may support accelerated approval consideration, enabling a planned BLA resubmission in the third quarter of 2026. uniQure announced plans to pursue a BLA submission for AMT-130 in Huntington's disease. According to the company, the FDA viewed the 3-year phase 1/2 analysis as acceptable to support an accelerated approval pathway. AMT-130 currently holds RMAT, Breakthrough Therapy, and Fast Track designations. CarsGen announced that China's National Medical Products Administration approved satri-cel, an autologous Claudin 18.2 CAR T therapy for patients with Claudin 18.2 positive, HER2 negative advanced gastric or gastroesophageal junction adenocarcinoma after at least 2 prior lines of therapy. The approval marks a significant commercial milestone in solid tumor cell therapy. US WorldMeds received full FDA approval for TECELRA, also known as afamitragene's autolysel, with an expanded indication that includes pediatric patients aged 12 years and older. The engineered T-cell therapy is indicated for eligible patients with unresectable or metastatic synovial sarcoma following chemotherapy. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.